Let's discuss how to create a dot out of numbers. So I have a bunch of numbers over here, and out of this I'll be able to create a dot. Let me make it more interesting. Let me create a hole in the middle. All I have to do is change the numbers. See, numbers handling. How it looks. I don't want it to be fully black. I want it to be grayish. Again, I'm changing the numbers to create an image, which I am able to control. So this is a bunch of numbers arranged in a particular order, creating this. Now, let us make it a bit more complicated. I have the letter F. It's the same funda. I'll show you. We have, you can see this. Here we are creating the same bunch of numbers and using 255 0 and all of that. And we are able to generate the letter F. Right? The alphabet F. You can see that. All these are bunch of zeros and 255. Basically, bunch of natural numbers. Now let me show you, yes, I'm controlling that. So let me make the leg of the letter F a bit gray. We did. Now let me make this to be equal length as this. See, all I'm doing is controlling something over here. Bunch of numbers, to be honest. Of course, I have not typed in those set of numbers. You'll need 16 cross 24 bunch of numbers to be typed in. That's not feasible. Of course, with programming, we have a better way of handling scenarios, and this is a better way of handling scenarios. So this is a way of accessing those bunch of numbers. Here we are creating bunch of numbers which are all zeros, which is 16 cross 24 with rows and columns and all of that. And here we are controlling their behavior. So as I promised, these two lengths are equal. So what we are seeing is bunch of numbers arranged in a row and column fashion. Here, because of some display issue, I'm not able to show that, but okay, it's supposed to be something like this. And I'm able to create images. It's not only that, with all of this concept, we'll be able to solve equations which are very complex to solve just on a sheet of paper. And it helps in handling of data. There are quite a few interesting usage of what we're looking at. And this topic is known as matrix. These are basically a bunch of numbers arranged in order, basically in form of rows and columns and all of that. And yeah, the usage is huge. So we'll be discussing all about that. So people who are interested in what we just saw, these are a few terminologies, and you need to understand all of this to make use of this code. Okay, so you can pause and have a look.